Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OnePlus 12R. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you're using an USB-C adapter, then make sure to clean the charging port first, because the dust can block the connection. So, as you guys can see, we have it right here. Now this is our charging port, and we definitely want to clean it. Now, after cleaning it with a soft brush, for an example, or an air compressor, what we can do is restart the phone. So we can do that by pressing the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Now swipe up to restart, and the phone is now restarting. So also you guys, once it restarts completely. After the phone restart, what you guys can do is make sure that you're using an original or a certified adapter. Now, if you are, then what you guys can do is basically test it with another device to make sure that it's not your charging port and that the adapter is working. What you guys can also do is test another pair of headphones with the same adapter, or change the adapter and use the same headphones. Now, what you guys want to do is update your phone software, and this is what we're also going to do for our Bluetooth headphones. So what we want to do is we want to go over into the settings, and now in those settings scroll a bit down until you guys see system and update. Here we're going to click on software update. As you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically, and I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version, because if you're running on an older version, then it can have a lot of more glitches than the latest one. So make sure to update your software. Now let's start off with the Bluetooth headphones. Now what you guys can do is turn the Bluetooth off and on, and the way you do that is you go into the Bluetooth. Now my Bluetooth was already disabled, so I'll enable it. Now let's turn it off. Now the switch is gray, and enable it back so the switch is blue and you have the icon on your status bar. As you guys can see, this way our Bluetooth is restarting. And if your headphones are already paired into the Bluetooth of your phone, what you guys can do is forget them and repair them again. So every headphone is different, so there's no way I could help you with it. So you guys need to actually find out how to pair your headphones again. So what you guys also want to do is charge your headphones fully, because once I've had this situation where the headphones were at like 60 or 70%, and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, then they connected without any problems. So make sure that you also charge yours. You can also avoid device interference. So for an example, you want your headphones to connect to your OnePlus 12R, but for an example, another phone or tablet just connects to them first, and there's no way you can connect to them once they're connected to another device. So avoid the device interference. And as a last step, as I've mentioned before, the software update. So you already know that you need to go into the system and update and go to software update and check it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.